Good morning!
Yeah, dear fresh. I want breakfast.
Let's make a healthy breakfast today.
What should we eat? How about eggs and fruit?
Sara,
Yeah, sure.
yes, cannoli. Oops, I spilled some milk.
That's okay. Let's clean it.
Accidents happen.
I'll get a towel.
Good job helping Bark.
Thank you!
Teamwork makes things easy.
Yes, it does.
What are your plans today?
I have homework to finish. I want to play outside. We can do both.
Of course, what's the question?
I don't understand it.
Let's solve it together.
First, read the question carefully.
Okay.
Then think about the answer.
I want to help too. I think I understand now.
Great job. You're improving every day.
Yay!
Let's go outside for some fresh air.
Good idea. I'll get my ball.
I'll join you. Great. Let's go.
Yay! Catch the ball! I got it!
Nice catch. You're both doing great. Let's take turns. Okay, my turn first.
Then me. That's fair. I can't catch it!
Try using both hands.
Like this! Oh, I did it! Well done, Bark! Thank you!
Practice helps.
Yes, it does! It's warm today!
Yes, but the breeze feels nice.
Perfect weather to play! I'm happy!
Who wants a snack?
I do! Me too!
Let's wash hands first. Would you like apples or bananas?
Apples, please! Bananas!
I'll take both. Let's share the fruit.
Okay. I want 2 pieces.
One now, one later. Fruit is good for your body. It gives us energy. That's right.
I feel strong.
Let's have some quiet time.
I want to read. I want to draw.
Both are great ideas.
Story is interesting.
What is it about?
A brave girl.
I like stories like that. You draw very well, Bark.
Thank you.
Keep practicing. You're improving. What should we do this afternoon?
Maybe go to the park. Yes, please. Park.
Please put on your shoes.
I'm ready. I can't find mine.
Check under the chair.
How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
Can we listen to music?
Sure. What will you play first?
I want to swing. I want to slide.
Watch you.
Wait.
We're here.
The park looks fun. Let's run.
Stay close.
Push me, please.
Okay.
I want to turn. Wait, your turn.
Hey,
Watch me slide.
good job.
That looks fun.
Be careful.
Alrighty.
That looks fun. Be careful. I'm climbing up. Hold the rail.
I'm coming too. I'm scared.
It's okay. I'm here.
You can do it.
Take your time.
I did it!
Great job. We're proud of you. High five.
Let's take a break.
I'm tired.
Me too.
Let's sit here.
How do you feel now?
Happy and relaxed.
I feel tired, but good.
Me too.
Who wants water?
I do.
Me too.
Stay hydrated. Can I have some of your water? Sure. Good sharing. Thank you. Look at the trees.
They're very tall.
The air feels fresh. I like the park.
I hear birds.
They're on that branch. They're singing. It sounds nice.
It's time to go home.
Already? I want to stay.
We can come again. Did you enjoy the park?
Yes, very much. It was fun.
I'm glad.
Let's wash our hands.
Okay,
I'm thirsty.
get some water. Let's make dinner together.
What can I do?
Chop vegetables.
I'll set the table.
Bark, put the plates here.
Like this?
Yes.
The vegetables are ready.
Tonight we're making pasta.
I like pasta. Me too.
Let's cook. The food smells good.
I'm hungry. Me too.
Almost ready. Please pass the bread.
Here you go.
Thank you. You're welcome.
How does it taste? It's delicious.
I agree.
Yummy!
What was the best part of today?
Playing at the park. Sliding! I liked cooking together. What should we do tomorrow? Maybe visit Grandma. Or go swimming.
We'll decide later. Let's clean up.
I'll wash dishes. I'll wipe the table.
I'll dry them. We finished quickly. Teamwork helps.
It was easy together. Yay!
Let's relax now.
I want to watch something. Me too.
Let's sit together. What should we watch?
A cartoon.
Yes! That's fine.